Hello everyone, my name is Shanizan Imran bin Muhammad Razi. I'm an English teacher currently teaching at SK Taman Seriwang located in Sungai Petani, Kedah. I teach Year 2 and Year 3 students. I have 26 years of teaching experience starting from 1997 until now. Throughout my career, I have served in 5 different schools and I'm proud to have received the Excellent Service Award 3 times. I'm attending this workshop because I'm truly interested in becoming a Google certified trainer. My goal is to train and empower more teachers in my school to become more confident and skilled in using Google application in teaching. Thank you. Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I will be share about Google Calendar. I've been transferred into a new school and I have problem to remember my uh, timetable. So I have an idea on using the Google Calendar to help me. We choose the Google Calendar here. I want to create new calendar to help me to remember the class schedule of my school. Firstly, choose create and choose appointment schedule. Then add your title here. I put 3 inspirasi. Then I look at my timetable, my English for year 3 inspirasi start at 1:20 to 2:20. And on Monday, I have a class on 2:20 to 3:20. On Tuesday, I don't have class. On Wednesday, also, I don't have class. So I delete this one and delete this one. And I put on Thursday, I have class on 4:40. So next, I check the time, Malaysia time, Kuala Lumpur. I tap the tab next and save. And voila, the calendar is done.